squash patch out front now. It's kind of gone a bit crazy. This is just, there's 2 sugar pie pumpkin plants, 2 zucchini. There's a crookneck squash, though I think it's just yellow squash because it's not very crookneck. But they're back there. But then we have quite a few. Wow, that guy's huge already. There's a sugar pie pumpkin. There's another one there. There's at least 10 of them I counted the other night, so really cool. And then zucchini is starting to grow right here. Let's see, there you go. Zucchini, so hopefully we'll have a bunch of those soon. And then this is spaghetti squash, and it's spreading out. Look at this, it's wrapping around the front. I don't know if I see any squash yet. I don't know. Oh, look at that. Oh, how cool. It's grabbed onto this bird feeder. That's cool. I didn't know spaghetti squash had these little tendrils. I've never grown it before. Look at this. It's wrapped around. It's wrapped around the blackberry plant. And then this is a watermelon right here. Or no, this is... What is this? Oh, this is acorn squash. And then this is a watermelon. This is a sunflower. I'm not sure how it got there. I'm just going to leave it and see what happens. And then this is... Oh, that's the spaghetti again. Oh, and another sunflower. So there's 2 sunflowers. But isn't that crazy? And I haven't done anything other than I mixed in compost when I first planted. And I water it like every maybe 4th day. And it's done really, really well. I was surprised because this is the front of the house that only gets the morning sun. So once it hits about noon, it doesn't get direct sunlight. But maybe that's what it wanted. Maybe it was it's too hot if it's getting it all day long. So I'm also not getting any of that powder mold, which is pretty awesome, at least so far. All the leaves are perfectly clean. So very cool. But the size of this is crazy. I don't think I've ever had, especially sugar pie pumpkin spread like this. It's crazy. Crazy stuff. Watch them be mismarked and they're like Atlantic Giant or some like gargantuan Wallace and Gromit pumpkin. Oh, and there's... Hello, moon pie.